this beautiful Saturday. It's a little bit drizzling, but God is still faithful. In everything you do, He's still faithful. Despite what we're going through, this morning the Lord ministered to me. For this week, the Lord ministered to me through my birthday. Through this day, the Lord ministered to me about compassion. Whatever, alles wat die Here gedoen het, He moved in compassion. He went on the cross and He went in compassion to think about me and you. Hy het dit gedoen vir ons. We're moving to Easter, but He did it in compassion. He thought of me, He thought of you. And ek is net hier om te sê, man, let's move in compassion. Let's move in love. I know it's difficult. People treat us hard, but let's move in compassion. Let's move in love, because that is what counts at the end of the day. It's not easy, but it's worth it. They're treating you bad at work, but show them compassion, show them love. Yesterday, one of the colleagues at work told me, sy lyk altyd gelukkig. I always smile. I always smile. En wat ek vir haar gesê het, I don't wear my problems on my face. Sometimes I look drained, but I still have a smile on my face. Your smile can make another person's day. Let's move in compassion and in love, despite what life throws at us, despite how things look. Let us move in compassion. Compassion is what we as people need to have. Compassion is what people need to train to have. As jy maklik hier, but let us have compassion. Let us have compassion despite what they say, what they do. Laat hy nie vir jou maak wat sy is, maar God is op die troon. Say hello. Say God bless you. Say hello, Eli. Say hello. He's shy. Let us move in compassion. Ek is aan met hulle wat daar by die park. Ek het 'n bietjie en ek spend 'n bietjie tyd met hulle. And I've realized compassion is what we need in today's time. Compassion. En ek het kom leer is dat things may not go your way. Things may not look like it's gonna go your way. But you just stay true to who you are. You just remain faithful. And you just remain your mandate. You just remain on your assignment. And move in compassion. Let God be glorified. Let God be lifted. God is all in control. God is all in it, despite what happens around us. Either the prices are going high, the VAT is going up, everything is going up, but never lose your value. Always walk in compassion, always walk in love, always walk in to pursue what God has for us to pursue. My biggest desire is to have my own house, to have my own car, to have a permanent job.